First transfer the image to the canvas, and stencil of this painting is given in my description box, or else you can draw with your free hands. Here mainly I have used two colors, one is white, another one is black. Most important thing is the proportion of the color. I will mention accordingly. Here for the body parts, I have taken 80% of white color and 20% of black color. Means if you have taken 2 drops of black color, then you should add 8 drops of white color. Now I think my video is self-explanatory, so you can enjoy this painting. For the outline of the body parts, you may add a little amount of black colors with the previous set. To lighten the color shade, you should add white color as much as the painting demands. Remember, never add a drop of water with the brush while smudging. For clothes, the color proportion of white and black should be 60:40. As I prepare, the cloth color is just a little darker than the skin color. For final borders of the clothes or to highlight any works over the clothes, you should use black color directly. To feature out all the facial parts like nose, eyes, brows, lips, you should use black color. For making the branches of the tree, take 40% white color and 60% black color. To make polka dots, you may use backside of the brushes or nail dotting tools. The color I have used here is ultramarine blue number 23 and pink 213. If you wish to know or buy, then visit my description box. I have given all the links there. For the background of the painting, I have used a little amount of white color with the shade of Chrome Yellow 03. Now it's my favorite part, that's jewelry making. For this, I have used Fabrical Silpaka. It's a kind of clay pack which comes with 2 packets inside. One is resin base and another one is hardener. You should mix both well. To give the jewelries an antique effect, you should use black color as base and let it to dry. Then apply gold color over this. Here this is artist gold color number 010. As the waist chain is just below the sari, you have to paint some pleats of sari over the clay work. I hope you guys enjoyed this painting. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. It will really helpful for me and boost me to do more and much. Please press the bell icon to get notified in future. Thank you so much.